Hey, it's RJ with Keto Over 50, and I wanted to share something really exciting with you today. I am out in a Las Vegas casino coffee shop, like old school. Their menu is as robust as one from Cheesecake Factory. So I'm going to show you what to do so you can stay on keto even when you go out and there's nothing really keto on the menu, okay? So stand by and let's see what we're going to get here. So this is the menu, and I went ahead and ordered the Sundance burger because, as you can see, it's a lot of meat. It's got cheese, it's got bacon, and it's got a fried egg. And what I'm going to do is deconstruct it a little bit so that I'm not eating anything that's too bad. And I'll show you my plate when I'm all done eating, and you'll see there's as much on it when I'm done as there was when I started, hopefully. Okay, so my burger arrived. It's got a lot of protein on it. It's also got some carbs, which I'm going to ignore, and maybe eat like 3 fries so I don't feel deprived. And I'll show you my plate when we're all done. Okay, so here we are. I've moved the French fries off plate. I had 2 of them dunked in ranch dressing. The ranch dressing is no problem. This didn't look good to me at all. Neither did this, which is good because then I'm not even tempted to eat it. So I've got my burger with bacon and a fried egg. There's a few little onion strings on there and some bacon jam that probably has some sugar in it. But this is basically what I'm going to eat. So if you're out to eat in a restaurant and they don't have anything specifically keto on the menu, you can always improvise, and no one's going to notice that you didn't eat your bun or that you didn't eat your fries. And you can still have a great meal and socialize with your friends and enjoy your time out. Thank God for editing. So I just finished eating, and you might be a little surprised. Here's my plate. Okay, so as you can see, I took the burger off the bun. I didn't touch the bun. It's got bacon jam on one side and a basil aioli on the other. I didn't touch the bun, but I ate about half of my burger. It was really good. It had fried egg on it and a few little crispy onion strings, and then I had a few French fries. So this is what my plate looks like when I'm done. And this way, I got to order exactly what I wanted. I'm satisfied. I didn't really blow my keto food plan. And I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas having a wonderful lunch with my friend. And that's what it's all about. You don't ever want to have to limit your social life because you're on keto. It should never be an issue of that. So one of the fun things about being at the Silverton is they have the Mermaid Lounge, which every once in a while, you'll see a mermaid swimming in there, and they're feeding the fish. Look at this. These guys were not on the menu at the coffee shop, okay? But I understand there's 0 carbs. And then over here, let's go over here, is the Bass Pro Shops. Get a shot of the sign at the top. And do you know the significance of the motorcycles?
No idea.
They're Bass Pro Shop motorcycles. It just says resist the urge to sit on them. So this is all the hunting, shooting, riflery, transportation, anything to do with the outdoor world. But if we go over this way, there's Wonder Woman. Take a look at that. Woo! It's so exciting. Here we go. So this is just a look at a part of the casino. These are some live table games and more slot machines, of course. Twin Creeks, if you can see that way in the back, is one of my favorite steakhouses. Really top shelf. It's fantastic here. So this is it. You can go out, you can have a good time, and you can stick to your keto food plan no matter where you are or what you're doing. Stay beautiful. This is RJ for Keto Over 50. See you next time.